Hi there, I'm Joanna Krupnick, owner and head calligrapher at Order She Wrote. In this video, we're going to be answering the most frequently asked questions about wedding invitations. What are the elements of an invitation? While the invitation suite is made up of all of your wedding paper, from your save the date cards to your thank you cards, the invitation itself refers to the official invite. Invitations are made up of the invitation, the main card, which says who's getting married, when, where, what time. Sometimes couples put their wedding website on there as well. The details card, which tells your guests everything they need to know about the day, sometimes information about the whole weekend. And then the RSVP or response card with a self-addressed and stamped return envelope that comes back to you. Oftentimes, couples will have their guests fill out their meal requests there as well, or any dietary restrictions they have. You can get really creative with how you keep them all together. People do belly bands and ribbons, and it really can just reflect you and the vibe of your wedding. And it's also really fun to include a wax seal to keep everything safe inside the envelope. When should I order my invitations? The sooner you order the invitations, the better, but it's recommended to order at least 3 to 4 months before the wedding date. That way you'll have plenty of time to proof your invitations and make changes as necessary, and then send them off to be addressed by a calligrapher. When should I send my invitations? You should send your invitations at least 6 weeks before your date, but 8 weeks is ideal. If you are inviting guests that will have to travel internationally, 10 weeks is recommended. Who should get an invitation? Everyone who received a save the date should also receive an invitation. So take care when sending your initial announcement, as that should reflect your desired final guest list. What about RSVPs? RSVPs should be ordered with your invitations and sent to the guests inside the envelope with the invitation. A self-addressed and stamped envelope should also be included. Traditionally, RSVPs will have a box for each guest to check regarding their attendance, as well as a date for their desired return of the RSVP. It's also common to include menu options for those guests with dietary restrictions. And if it is a multi-day event, a card with selections for additional activities they plan on participating in. What else is there to consider? The design options for your invitations are virtually limitless, so have fun choosing your stationery. Many couples go for something that is both representative of them as a couple and the aesthetic of their big day. It's also common to establish a consistent theme throughout your wedding paper, and curating wedding suites can help create that continuity. To get inspired, check out the Not Invitations, which offers an ever-expanding range of invitation suites that you can personalize to suit your individual needs. Thanks so much for watching. To see more of my work, please check out the links below or find me at ordershewrotenyc.com. See you next time.